Hi there, welcome to the add-ons. In this video, I will show you how to set up giant slash in Elementor Forms. Giant slash let one field giant its choices depending on another field. You can see the demo. Model selection depends on the category field, and the year drop-down depends on category and model fields. In this tutorial, create a demo with the parent field category, the child field model using four sources: default, manual, CSV file, and database. Let's see example dataset. We'll load this dataset in four ways. Section 1. Creating a giant slate using manual mode. That means you have to add your options manually. First, create two fields. Set the type to select. Enter the label. Enter the options. Next, create a model field. Choose select type. Enter the label. Set giant slash source to manual. Click Add where to create a rule. This rule defines which options should appear in the child field based on the value selected in the parent field. Parent field ID categories. Operator equal value font. Options. The rule means when the user selects font in the category field, the current field will display these options. Add two more rules in the same way for laptop and tablet, each with its own options. Save and test on the front end. When you select font, the model field should show only font models. When you select laptop, it will display only laptop models. And when you select tablet, it will display only tablet models. Next, move on to section 2. Create a giant slate using CSV file. In CSV mode, we don't manually create rules. Instead, we prepare a CSV file with two columns, parent and value. Create a category field. Open the Advanced tab. Under giant slash source, choose CSV. You can upload your CSV file or paste a direct URL to the file. I will copy the URL from the media library. Database column. Type the column name that matches the parent values. For the categories field, the database column is categories. Next, we set up the model field so it dynamically shows models based on the category selection. Set the database column to the column containing the model names. For this field, use model. Now we tell the plugin how to filter the CSV data using the where condition. In the model field, click Add Where, fill out the rule, categories equal field ID of category field. This rule means only show rows where the parent column matches the value selected in the category field. Save your form and test it on the front end. Select Laptop Model Field of this to MacBook Air. Select Tablet, display all tablet models, and select Phone. Model field should show Pixel 6, iPhone 14. Next, go to Section 3, Create Change Select using Database. In Database mode, your Change Select options are loaded directly from a table inside your WordPress database. Now let's connect the category field to the database. In the category field, under Change Select Source, choose Database. Enter the database table. Database column, enter the column name containing the category values, categories. Next, we connect the model field to the same table so it can pull the correct model names. Enter the database table. Database column. This column contains the child values model. Now we need to tell the plugin how to filter the models based on the selected category. We do that using the where condition. Fill in the condition categories equal field ID of category field. This rule means show only database rows where the categories column matches the value selected in the category field. Save your form and have a preview. Select Laptop, models update to MacBook Air, Dell. Select Phone, models should show Pixel 6. Now go to the last section, Default Model. Default means no chaining. The model field uses the options you type in the Content tab and ignores the parent. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.